Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating MIUI and ensuring you have a My account. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, backup photos and settings so you can restore if needed. Next, open passwords and security, then authorization and revocation, and revoke MSA immediately. This cuts the system ad delivery at its source. You're doing this early because it prevents ads from reappearing after package cleanups. Make sure to allow the revoke to complete before moving on. Now you remove ad-serving components. Go to Settings Apps, find Themes, Get Apps, My Browser, and My Video. Force Stop, then uninstall updates to reduce ad modules. If you prefer a stronger approach, connect to a PC and use ADB to uninstall or disable packages. This avoids accidental reinstalls. Once packages are handled, block network access for MSA and related processes with a local firewall or edited hosts file. This prevents ad retrieval. Be careful with system apps, only remove ones you confirmed safe. Finish by clearing caches and data for affected apps, then reboot. A fresh start applies revocations and package changes. After reboot, test common screens, home, lock screen settings for lingering ads. If you still see ads, retrace steps. Recheck MSA revocation, network blocks, and disabled packages. If instability happens, temporarily re-enable a service to identify the culprit. As a last resort, reflash MIUI to a clean ROM. This solves deep system corruption, but remember to restore your backup afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.